How to share Instagram Reel to WhatsApp status. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reel to WhatsApp status. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you navigate to the reel you want to share by tapping on this reel icon at the bottom. Once you find the reel you would like to share to your WhatsApp status, at the right bottom you will find some options. You will find airplane-like icon at the right side of the reel. Tap on it and this window will pop up at the bottom. From this menu, you will need to choose this WhatsApp option. Tap on this WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp will open with options to share. Here select My Status option from the top. Once you do so, you will need to tap on that arrow to proceed further, which is located at the right bottom below. Once you do so, it will preview and let you edit this status. You can add text, stickers or drawings to this reel. You can now tap on the send button or the arrow icon at the right bottom. And once you do so, you will be able to post the status. Go and check your WhatsApp. You will see you have successfully shared an Instagram reel to your WhatsApp status. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.